Good morning. It is minus 44 Celsius here in Alberta today. You just see that haze behind me. That's from everyone's furnace and wood stove going. Looks really cool. Unfortunately, work doesn't stop in this cold. I'm going to split up some wood. Split's way easier in this cold. And I have a coffee table project I'm working on for a friend. And I got to do a bunch of sanding outside. Just be too dusty in my shed. I got the wood stove going, which makes things a lot better. And my mouth is freezing up already. So I'm pretty much all done for the day. Just sitting here enjoying my wood stove. I think we warmed up to about minus 29 Celsius today. And normally minus 30 to minus 40 aren't that uncommon, but we've been having a fairly mild winter up until now. And tonight we're supposed to have wind chills as low as minus 55 Celsius, which is minus 67 Fahrenheit. My shed right now is about plus 20. It's really nice in here. So I just wanted to share some of our weather with you, and thanks for watching.